Hello, this is Laura from Titchy Threads, and this is a short video to show you how I open up my PDF patterns on my projector using my phone. The first thing I do is make sure my projector's turned on, and then because I've got an Android phone, I go into the Google Home app, scroll down and select Sewing Room TV and cast my screen, then cast screen. Now whatever's showing on my screen is also showing on my cutting mat, so I can come out of this app. I open up the Zodo app and select the pattern I want to open. This time it's Safari Raglan projector file. When I come into the file, all of the layers will be turned on. So I tap on the screen and hit the three dots in the top right and view layers. And bring this up and you can turn off the layers you don't want. I'm going to leave the 10cm grid on and then come back into the pattern. Now I can go over to my cutting mat and check the 10cm grid actually equals 10cm on the mat. Unfortunately you can't enter a zoom percentage, so you have to use your fingers to zoom in and out until you're happy with the size. Once you're happy, you can turn off that layer. And now you're ready to start cutting your pattern, making sure not to zoom in or out accidentally.